All right, Nate, what just happened?
So we got about 10 feet into this place, and then I think that was the truck leaving. But a truck started coming, and there's never trucks on this property. We've been here before, maybe a couple weeks ago. Nobody here. And
You did grab that light, correct? Okay, cool.
Yeah. And it's 10:44 right now. Should we go back in right here?
There's the one building.
Oh shit. Oh, that's so creepy. That's so creepy. The armies look like the army.
There's a
mannequin in there. There's a mannequin in like a little.
I don't think they can see it in the camera. We can come back during the day another time.
You can see the headlights.
Alright, I'm gonna turn this light off.
Yeah.
This car right there.
It's the same truck. Oh, it's a van. It was a van. It was the guy that lived there. And yeah. I remember those headlights for sure, dude. Those are it. We gotta go back. We gotta give it like 5 minutes.
Where do you want to park though?
You just want to wait for the meantime. You just want to go to the Utica spot,
Yes.
the other spot, come back.
Here we go.
Is that better for
This big ass bright light.
So yeah, we're just gonna go over to the next spot, and then we're gonna come back to this one that we were originally gonna go to first, because that's a bust. All right, so we made it to one of the first unbuilt houses so far. I know this is nothing like exploration-wise, but we just got to cut some time so that we can get back to our original idea. I'm hoping there's no silent alarms that have the triggers. We should actually probably check some of the corners.
Let's watch this step.
Probably check some of the edges too.
Yeah, I'm looking. All right. Oh, dude, look at. There's a basement.
Oh, we got to go down there last.
Oh yeah. All right, watch your lights over here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's houses right there. But that's the inside of Quarry Bluff. Oh shit! Oh, it's a drop.
It's a big drop.
That's a big drop, Chief. There's houses like right there with people inside of them. Yeah, ooh, there's another really big drop right here.
Oh fuck, dude, these windows are massive.
I know. All right, let's walk. You want to go in the basement? Oh, there's a upstairs, but it's not built yet.
Oh yeah, we shouldn't go up there then.
You want to go to the basement?
Let's go to the basement.
You want me to go first?
Oh, these stairs are... I'm just gonna go first.
You lead the way. Well, we can't stay too long because someone's got to have seen that light by now.
Everything went quiet. Dude, everything went immediately quiet.
Turn that bright. Turn the light on. That was me.
Oh shit.
The houses are right. Turn your light off. Turn your light off. Don't know if you guys can see, but there's Quarry Bluff right there, which is a private. What is it? Private neighborhood inside of a. What is it?
Inside of a quarry.
Yeah, inside of a quarry.
Old quarry. Yeah.
It's goofy.
We got like their own private springs and stuff you can swim in. It's like naturally warm. Well, not naturally. It was destroyed by machinery.
Yeah.
But making use of what they got.
This was just a cool place to check out. Oh, we're flooded over here.
Oh, shit, yeah. Ooh. Dude, this is gonna be a sick place when it's done, though.
I know, it's gonna be a nice ass house. You ready?
Yeah. See if we can get into the next one. It's like basically built. We're just already close there.
Should we just break into someone's house? I mean, here, just shine the light on this step.
Dude, oh, I think that's good. I think that's done.
It is, but it has retail signs.
There's like a...
Turn your light off. I can't see. All right.
Yeah,
No.
It again.
Yeah, do that.
So you guys won't be able to just pause it for now.
We're back.
All right, so now we're at the second one that was right next to the completely built.
Why does it look like
Is
this?
that an open window? Bro.
It is open.
No, it's not. No, it's not. It's completely closed. I promise. It's just a really nice new window. I promise.
Are you sure?
You guys couldn't see it, but there's a... Here, we'll fucking take you over there. There's like a brand new window, and it looks like it's open.
Damn, that does look really clean.
Oh, shit. What if somebody just walked through an empty ass house?
I'd be scared.
That would be scary.
You wanna walk around the back?
But yeah, we're definitely not gonna...
Bro.
Dude, I think somebody lives here.
Do you think someone does?
No. I think this is their example house, like with the rest. Did you see there's that board over there?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Definitely.
Alright, we probably shouldn't stick around this house too long.
Yeah.
Purely because someone could be sleeping there.
I guess.
We just don't know it.
Yeah, the garage door is closed and everything.
See, we got our nice chairs right here.
Handle.
Sturdy.
I made this baby real tight.
What?
How many pounds can this baby hold?
Here's our copyright.
This is an example house. They wouldn't just fucking do that.
Let's open the front door. Oh, it's got a padlock.
It's got the security lock on it.
Alright, we probably shouldn't stick around too much longer because our light's been exposed.
Yeah, we should go home. Alright, so now we're back at our original spot. Right now there's a truck. You can't see it, but it's over there. And then we keep on hearing sounds somewhere else. We don't know.
There's a fire truck right here. You can't see it in the camera probably.
Oh shit. Where? I think it's like right there. We gotta be careful. We can't like turn anything on.
I'm running if it comes to it. Just be really fucking quiet. What if he has dogs?
You're in that over there.
I know, me too.
Like in there. There's a light inside. There's a light inside. What's in there, bro? Someone's unloading stuff.
Do you think so?
Maybe. Someone's going right. That was screech.
As long as we stay close to the darkness. I don't know if you guys can see it.
It scared the shit out of me.
Oh shit, what the fuck was that?
It's a train stopping.
Spooky. I don't know if you guys can see this in the video, but it's a train right next to me.
What the fuck?
I can see that sign. What if he's just in this car looking at us?
It's so creepy. Bro, what if he's inside? Yeah, I have to go look at the door. See if there's any lights on. I don't see any lights.
I'm just trying to look around.
I'm afraid someone's gonna come behind us. That is somebody's truck, bro. Dude, what if they're sitting in there right now?
I know, then
and
we're
calling the police at the same time.
should we leave? I know it should be. Let's go fucking look in the window of the truck. I wish it was more light out. We have to go at like dusk or dawn or something like that to get more. I mean, we're still recording, but it's dark. You can't see.
It's way too sketchy, bro.
I know.
Inside of this.
You can't see. Camera.
I'll turn my phone light on.
Okay. Turn your light on
You
now.
guys have this open.
Turn your light on so I can see. Like, so I can see the truck. I'm just gonna let you know this is gonna be a lot of editing.
Read the fire department right there. Alright, get in. Get inside. No, not totally. Well, if you want to, yeah.
Fire truck.
Alright, turn the flashlight on. I know this is kind of a random time, but now we're trying to get up on top of this building here.
Oh shit. Do not grab this light.
Why?
You'll fall. It's really heavy.
If you can see, this is very tight. I'm really sorry. I'm just trying to get them light right here. Oh, bro, this is gonna be so difficult. Actually, she doesn't look that bad. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna try to climb my way up since you saw how you did it. Give me one moment. So we made it on the roof. We got Travis with his light on over there. Oh shit! Let me turn my light off for you guys. It's very cold, so my feet keep sticking to the ground.
Oh, bitch.
What? What's wrong?
Oh, I hit my fucking knee.
Oh shit!
Oh, you fucking cocksucker. Oh, you fuck.
Oh dude.
Oh, that hurts so bad.
You good?
Oh, that hurts so bad. Yeah. Be careful, this way.
Oh shit!
Hold on, how do we do this? It's wet, so we can't do it. Honestly, I'm
Can't see because it's black ground, by the way, guys.
come up here. Turn your light off.
Why? All right, we gotta turn the light off so if you can't see it, hold the camera.
Is it recording? Yes. Look at this motherfucker. Stay close to the wall so no one can see us. Alright, I'm gonna peep around this corner real quick. We're on top of this big chain of restaurants. There's a Dollar General, Save a Lot, Family Dollar, Rent-A-Center, Taco Bell over there. Bro?
Oh shit! He's slowing down.
He's not, we're fine.
He definitely didn't notice us. No way.
No, there's no way anyone can really see us up here. Here, you want a camera? So over there, there's a light. Like there's a light against. I don't know if you can see it. But see the lights that are hanging off the roof of the building right there? If you stand behind them, we can stand up like this and no one can see us because we were throwing rocks at kids last time I was up here.
Oh shit! Should we want to try to get over there?
Yeah, I mean it's wet though. It's the only thing. It's wet right there.
All right,
so.
we're gonna try to get over to the other side, guys. I'll be right back.